Hello students, in last videos we see some technical terms, cybersecurity definition and the challenges faced by organizations related to the cybercrime. In this video we will see who are cyber criminals. Cyber criminals are those who conduct criminal acts such as child pornography, credit card fraud, cyber stalking, gaining unauthorized access to computer systems, ignoring copyrights, overriding encryption to make illegal copies, software piracy, stealing another's identity to perform criminal acts. Who will perform these illegal activities now we can call them as cyber criminals. Cyber criminals can be categorized into three groups. The type 1 is cyber criminals hungry for recognition. These kind of cyber criminals, what they will do? They will do cyber crimes for their recognition. Examples are hobby hackers, IT professionals, politically motivated hackers, terrorist organizations. The next type is cyber criminals who are not interested in recognition. This kind of cyber criminals are not interested in recognition. They will do cyber crime for money purpose, or some people have some destructive mindset. Destructive mindset is nothing but, for example, like psychos. Okay. The examples for this type 2 is psychological perverters, financially motivated hackers, state sponsored hacking, organized criminals. The type 3 is cyber criminals, the insiders. These kind of cyber criminals, they will do cyber crime to take revenge or a desire to sell network security services. The examples are former employees seeking revenge. The second example is competing companies using companies to gain economic advantage through damage and or theft. Next we will see the classification of cyber crime. The first classification they have made in broad and narrow sense. Okay, first we will see the classification of cyber crimes in broad and narrow sense. See the table, they have given role of computer and for that examples. In narrow sense, the role of computer, it acts as an object. How attackers commit crime here? They attack on computer in which information is stored. The attack on computer in which the information is stored. Examples: hacking, computer sabotage, DDoS attacks, that is distributed denial of service attacks, virtual child pornography. In broad sense, the computer acts as tool as well as environment. The cyber criminals use computer as a tool. It means they will commit crime by using information stored on that computer. Examples are computer fraud, forgery, distribution of child pornography, etc. Next, the computer as a environment. Here, the computer or information stored in that computer will not play that much role, but they will contain evidence for that crime. Example is murder using computer techniques, bank robbery and drugs trade. The next classification of cyber crimes they have made based on some points. We will see that. The first one is cyber crime against individual. It means the cyber crimes involves individuals here. The examples are email spoofing and other online frauds, phishing, spear phishing and its various forms such as wishing and smishing, spamming, cyber defamation, cyber stalking and harassment, computer sabotage, pornographic offenses, password sniffing. We will see the further in detail These all crimes in detail in further in this unit only. Next, the next classification is cybercrime against property. Examples here, what they will do here? Here cybercrimes includes all forms of properties like credit cards, intellectual properties to gain or to get that they will do the cybercrime. Examples are credit card frauds, intellectual property crimes, internet theft time. Okay, the third classification is cybercrime against organization. Examples are unauthorized accessing of computer, password sniffing, denial of service attacks, virus attack, email bombing or mail bombs, logic bomb, Trojan horse, industrial spying or industrial espionage, computer network intrusion, software piracy. The next classification is cybercrime against society. Examples are forgery, cyber terrorism and webjacking. The last one is crimes emanating from Usenet newsgroup. Here, Usenet is one distributed system available on computers. It includes some online discussions that are organized into newsgroups. These are very harmful because sometimes these contain inaccurate data or postings that have been mislabeled, or they may convey message in another way. We will see some of cyber crimes in detail. The first one is email spoofing. Email spoofing is a forgery of an email header so that the message appears to have originated from someone or somewhere other than actual source. Here, what they will do? They will create a email messages with the forged sender addresses. Forged is nothing but fake one. They will create a fake sender addresses and they will send a email from someone. Anyone can send that from anywhere. What they will do to do this email spoofing? Senders insert some commands in header which will alter messages and information. We can send spoofed messages from anyone, anywhere, saying what sender wants to say. These spoofed emails, some from position of authority, like for example manager or a boss in a company or a bank asking for passwords, credit card numbers. Okay, like this they will send emails to our mail ID. Next, we will see a small video how this email spoofing works. Okay, what he did, attacker, he intercepted a network, means he disturbed a network and he will get the information, user information, and he will fake that information and he will send a messages or some other contents to other people's mail IDs, okay, by using a fake email IDs.